guys, welcome back to Farm Life. Today I am sitting by the fire pit that's not even lit, and it's really hot out here, or really cold out here, but the sun's shining. So let's go check up on the animals today. As you can see, all the cows I've gathered around. I don't know why, but they're all up here probably because they saw me walking out. So some days I'll just do quick little vlogs like this, while other days I'll have like an eating vlog or a cleaning vlog, or probably not a pooping vlog, but I'll do what you guys want. But yeah. So over here, the donkeys are coming. Sorry about the sun. I hope you guys can see. It's very muddy where we are right now. Say hello. And this is not Reese's. He's very far from me. There's Reese's. Come here, Reese's. Reese's, come here. And then the cow. Are you gonna go mooing on me again? Yeah? Yay? Nay? And then here's the baby calf. Hey there, calf. Hey there. Hey there, calf. Hey there. Ooh, cow. Ooh, cow. Stop mooing. I'm trying to make a video. But yeah. And by the way, guys, I'm also going to be doing some more Roblox videos and stuff. Even though my YouTube channel name is called Farm Life now, I'm still gonna be doing Unicorn Squad stuff. But just a little side note, and there will be again a little Christmas something coming up soon. Here comes Maggie. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. And sadly, like we said in the last video, there's no chicken.